I find it always super awkward to start a video, so I will just go straight to the point and tell you how to do this project. For cutting out this part, I am using a craft knife, so if you're using one, just be careful of your fingers, but you could also do it with scissors. It's just gonna be a bit more awkward. For this part, just make sure you're folding correctly. So if it is a dashed line, that means it's a valley fold, and if it's a straight line, it's a mountain fold. After I recorded the video, I did go back and edit the template a bit just to make it easier for you to see where to glue what. This is just some thin cardstock, I don't know. It's 1.5 millimeters and it will just provide a bit more stability. For the book covers, I just printed them on regular paper and then I sprayed them with the fixative before I put the Mod Podge on. It's just because I use an inkjet printer, and if I would put the Mod Podge directly on the printout, it would just smear the colors. But if you have a laser printer, you can just skip that step. Here I'm using the same cardstock as before. I just make sure to trim the corners so it's not as pointy. other side of the book, I made a small little booklet. So I just used regular paper that I stained in tea and coffee. For the book binding, I'm just using a simple pamphlet stitch. It just uses 3 holes, and you start in the middle and go to one side and then to the other and then come back in the middle, and you just tie a knot. It's very simple and the book pages turn really nice. I also stained the top and the bottom of the diorama just because it was so white compared to the booklet and the whole book, and I wanted it to look vintage and old looking. But that's about it for this project. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.